In this video, I'm going to be installing 2 TVs and 1 computer to have a dual presentation system. Hey guys, it's AJ the CEO. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm getting ready to go stop by my church first to install something real quick, and I'm picking up somebody. One of the kids at the church, mom told me that he's really interested in the stuff I'm doing, so I'm gonna pick him up and take him along with me while I'm getting all this stuff done. And let me get out the way because I'm blocking somebody here trying to get out their driveway. All right, so I just picked up my apprentice for today, Justyn. I got the camera turned to the side so you can't see him right now, but you'll see him when we get some work done over here. So like I said, what we're doing is installing a dual TV system at a church that they're not ready for live streaming, but they just want to be able to do scripture and lyrics. So we're going to be using the Ori extender splitter that we've used before, and that we're going to be running Cat 6 through the ceiling to get to each TV. And the splitter hasn't gotten here yet. It's actually going to be here tomorrow, but that's simple compared to the stuff that we're doing. We're just going to be laying the wires everywhere, hooking up the computer, and it'll be good after that. And then I'm going to be coming back tomorrow because the computer monitor and the connectors are going to be delivered today, hopefully, so they won't get delayed. And then I'll swing back over to the church, take about like 20 minutes to install everything. So let's head on out. All right, so what we're going to do is mount the TV here. I thought it was going to be 2 TVs. It's actually 1. It's a 65-inch Philips smart TV. So I got Justyn over here popping the tiles, and the good thing is it's just going to be a straight line of sight to get right there. So not having to go through any corners. The media booth is going to be established in the back. So I am just going through right now and pulling the TV out so I can actually put the mounting gear on the back, and then that's a concrete wall, so we're going to be going through that to mount everything. So I'm just now leaving New Jerusalem Baptist Church. They are really happy with what we got set up. All the other parts came in. The Ori HDMI extender splitter came in. Installed that into the cable that Justyn had ran yesterday in the ceiling. And we're actually going to be going back again because they have, the whole building has concrete around it except for that one location where we hung the TV. But the Wi-Fi signal just cannot reach the computer even with the Wi-Fi adapter that we added. So we're going to be installing a unified access point there so that the signal will be in the sanctuary, as well as be able to, obviously the computer can connect to that so it can use the Worship Extreme, the free version. So he was really happy with it, especially just opening the door of what it could do. And I have some video of it there, of what the final product looks like. So he was really happy. I'm really excited about to see what's gonna go forward with that ministry. He's gonna find somebody who, as he says, has a quick wit to them so that they can be in charge of that. So I will be back once he does that to help train them. And that's about it. So thanks y'all for joining me. If you like this type of content, I'd appreciate a like, consider subscribing, and hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other great videos like this to help modernize your media ministry. And if you ever wanted some help, some consultations, or if you're in the area and you want me to stop by and help you out, you can just send me an email here, the email address below, and I will be more than happy to come out there and help you out and help your ministry get modernized. This is AJ. We will see you on the next video. Later.